This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about pastry boards, specifically these wonderful pastry pallets. They're fantastic for the display of pastries and other little treats. And we've got several styles to show you. First, the Deco rectangular natural bamboo serving pallet. It's 4 inches long by 2 inches wide and features this wonderful, cute little loop style handle. Next, we have the Deco Square Natural Bamboo Serving Palette. It's 3 inches by 3 inches and has a wonderful, nice little curved handle for easy hold and grip. We have the Black Square Natural Bamboo Serving Palette. It's also 3 inches by 3 inches, and you can see features a nice black finish to that bamboo. It's a nice, striking, dark color that provides some great contrast. We have the Deco Round Natural Bamboo Serving Disc, and it's 3 inches in diameter. You can see it's got that nice, wonderful, soft, natural color, and also has that wonderful little handle. Then there's the Deco Oval Natural Bamboo Serving Disc. This one is 4 inches long by 3 inches wide and has a nice oval shape to it. And then we have 2 plastic options. First is the round black plastic pastry palette. This one is 3 inches in diameter and features a wonderful little natural touch with that kind of leaf-inspired design on the handle. And next is the rectangle clear pastry palette. This one is a nice clear plastic option, so if you're looking for something that just fades into the background, this is a great one. And it's got that rectangle shape with those slightly rounded edges and also features that nice little leaf-like design on the handle. So you have a lot of choices between the bamboo and the plastic and the variety of finishes and colors to really help elevate the look of your desserts. The handles make all of these easy to grab for not only your employees, but customers or guests. And they're a great stylish option for the display of petite desserts or individual savory portions. So these are going to be great for using for dessert display cases, on buffets, or even for past service of desserts, or for more elaborate dessert table setups. The bamboo options are a stylish and sustainable one for a great eco-friendly option, and they're also microwave safe, which is nice if you want to serve anything warmed up. The plastic ones are really sturdy and have a slightly more modern and sleek feel to them. So these are perfect for cafes, bakeries, pastry shops, caterers, and more.